Meaning of involve.
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 Involve. The word involve can have a few different meanings, depending on the context. Generally, it means to include or incorporate something or someone in a particular situation, activity, or event. For example, if you say that a project involves researching a particular topic, it means that research is a necessary part of the project. Involve can also mean to implicate or connect someone or something with a particular action or event. For example, if you say that a person was involved in a crime, it means that they played some part in it. Overall, involve implies a connection or participation in some way.